Today, I wanted to talk about an important topic. I think I'm gonna do a series. I'm gonna explain one important topic per day. So, in today's topic, we are gonna be talking about wing clipping. Wing clipping can be a very sensitive topic because there's a lot of controversy whether or not should I clip my birds. But automatically for me, this is my own opinion. I just don't understand why people would want birds clipped even though they are already meant to fly. So, in today's topic, I want to talk about the importance of not clipping your bird's wing. When you clip your bird's wing, it obviously it there's like an ability for them to fly.